Please excuse the fan running here. It's working hard to publish some of the previous videos. So for this question, I'm not sure why so many people are hanging out in trees in this practice test, but we'll roll with it. Jose is sitting in a tree, so we need another tree. And Jose is hanging out. So that his eyes are 3.2 meters from the ground. So vertically, this is 3.2 meters. It's in a right angle with the ground. When he looks down at an angle of depression of 42 degrees, he can see his cat sitting in the yard. So he is looking down at an angle of depression, which means his eyesight is looking down from where it would be if he was just staring straight ahead. And that angle is 42 degrees. And there's this little cat in the yard. As I've mentioned in previous videos for this particular test, when looking at the angle of depression and the angle of inclination, they are equal, so this will also be 42 degrees. So that might be an easier one to think with. Once we've done this, we've actually already answered part A. And so now we just need to determine the horizontal distance to the nearest tenth of a meter from the base of the tree to Jose's cat. So how far away is Jose's cat from the tree? For this, I will switch pens, strictly for the sake of being able to differentiate between part A and part B in this diagram. So I've got 42 degrees here, which means that this is my opposite side. Again, I am solving for my adjacent side, that horizontal running along the ground. So I'm going to be using tan. Plug in not 43, but 42. Don't change your numbers, that will cost you half a mark. And 3.2 divided by my unknown. So I'm going to call it G for the ground. I'm going to manipulate my equation. So I get G equals 3.2 divided by tan of 42 degrees. And I'll punch that in once again, because this unit relies heavily on calculators. And you get 3.6 meters. And there's your final answer.